It is November 1st. We're going to do a spin with just a 12-volt motor on the net gain 9, just to make sure that it's turning the same direction that the AC motor is turning it. As we look at this end, it is clockwise. I guess my piece of tape fell off. It was spinning rather quickly. So basically, just going to hook up. We've got 12 volts to the red terminal here, through a contactor and a fuse from a 12-volt battery, and then the negative is connected straight over to the motor terminal. We've got a gigavac contactor. We're just going to give her 12 volts. Actually, while I got it running, I'm going to check the RPM. That is a very serious number. I'm showing 1,870 RPM. Which is a whole lot faster than I was expecting it to be. So, we'll remove 12 volts from the contactor. And just make sure that it is in fact spinning clockwise. Which it is, spinning clockwise. Certainly not ambient temperature. So, just going to check. We have the concrete at 57 degrees Fahrenheit. This is about 66. And this shows about 75, 77. And the transistor, top of the transistor, shows about 83. Which is, I guess, cool enough for us to start. So I'm going to hit 2 a few times. I'm surprised. Only 20 amps. 28 amps. 32. Should start to turn pretty quick. 37. 40. It's barely starting to turn. 50. That's very odd. 3 D. Okay, a couple more. $55 amps. Looks to be pretty stable. We're at 185, probably get to 200 RPM here. Speeding up very slowly. A little bit more. 56 amps. Give it an A. 318. Nope, 390, 400. So, because the motor is turning it the same way, the DC motor is turning it the same way, that, the battery, and let it charge up. Okay, we don't have enough regen to start it moving in the reverse direction. It is jiggling a little bit, but that's about it. We are still showing about 21 amps. So I'm just going to increase it until we get to 0. Right, 5, 4, 3, 1.5, and 0. So there we are, back to where we started. Do a quick check on voltage of the pack. We are at 123.1. We started at 123.5. And I'll take the charger off of this DC battery. It's 12 volt battery. And we're at 12.8. So started at 13.8. We're down to 12.8. So we took a fair bit of energy out of it. But we didn't do any damage. That's the main thing. Lastly, I'm going to shut the controller off. And then we get the standard under voltage fault. Shut off the meter and stop the trace. That's the video.